Hi, girlie. It is not even 4 a.m. and we are driving to a shoot. Call time today is 5 a.m. It's gonna take about an hour to get there because we're going to Delaware. It's like clear roads ahead. So this shoot is a 3-day shoot, and my buddy Mike is directing, good friend of mine, and I am actually not shooting this one. This will be my first time AC, which is assistant camera. And I've never AC'd before, and I might be terrible at it, but you don't really need an AC. My buddy Matt Stanbaugh, who both Mike and I are friends with, is DPing this one. Mike kind of gives half the shoots to me, half the shoots to Matt. It works out great, we're all friends. I feel like if they really needed an AC, they would have gotten a proper one, but I feel like they brought me on today just for more so moral support and just for fun and hanging out, to be honest with you. So for the next 3 days, I thought I'd bring you along on set with me. See if we can learn anything, see if we can have fun. So I'm going to pay attention to the road, pay attention to driving. I have a breakfast sandwich ready to be consumed, and I will talk to you guys when we get there. So the very best thing about waking up for 5 a.m. shoots is beautiful. Although I don't think it's actually right for the first scene, so we're gonna have to wait like another half hour. Yeah, just tell the people what you're doing today on set.
Today I'm producing / coffee drinking / about to be really hot in these jeans.
My name is Andrew Bear. I'm the grip / gaff.
My name is Leslie Tran. I'm the sound guy on set.
My name is Matt. I make pictures, camera. I like to do things fast.
Ethan Cook, eating sandwiches.
Hey, my name is Ricky Ricardo. Sorry, my name is Patrick Bateman.
Take 3.
My name is Andy Dwyer. Hey, my name is Newton Buchanan, and I'm the guy in the video.
You can give me an action?
No.
Okay, cool. My name is Mike Pfeiffer, and I'm the director for today. And all the other days, too. Not just today.
And what else are you?
My name's Mike Pfeiffer. I'm the director, producer, and owner of the production company.
Set dad.
Set dad. Per the shirt that Danny so kindly provided.
But now it's like, oh, this is that one. Yeah. That one. Basketball, you know? I don't even know how to say it. All I do is jump.
Not actually. So I'm just gonna walk away.
Coming close to the end of the day. My job here during this basketball scene is pulling the plug on the lights over here. All this learning and filmmaking. This is what you get to. Just holding it down here. What's that number? 7. It's called hard work.
That is a wrap, day 1. Thank you.
Oh, baby. So that wraps up day 1. Extremely hot outside. Awesome day. Awesome group of guys all around. I didn't get to film as much as I really wanted to film because I ended up having a lot more jobs than I was originally anticipating having. Like on a small group shoot, there's absolutely no room for big egos. Like you have to be willing to help in every single department. Like the director, Mike, was walking around handing out waters, going to get coffee for people. Like he's the director, he has other bigger things to worry about. He shouldn't have to be doing the same jobs a PA would, but he's such a great dude and it's such a great crew to be working with that, you know, he's just like everyone's doing everyone's job just to help out. And the main talent today, Newt, was incredible. I've never seen like an actor on a commercial be able to turn on the humor and like give so many different looks for every single scene. the way that Newt was able to do, and he made the day go so much smoother. Like, you weren't having to redo takes because he wasn't prepared. So tomorrow, day 2, very similar day, very similar scenes at a different campus that's still a part of the same university that we're filming for. And I just realized that this campus is an hour further from where we already are. So I'm gonna have a two hour, 20-minute drive tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna have to wake up at like 2 o'clock in the morning. So I'm gonna stop talking, a little exhausted. Gonna cut here, and I'll see you tomorrow in the morning. Gonna do the hand thing again, where I hand gesture and we cut to the next scene. So I wasn't planning on talking to you again, so I got into the car on the car ride down because I don't want to talk loud because Anna's sleeping in the other room. It's 2:30. I got out of the shower to check my phone, and Maddie Hopoya sent me a direct message on Instagram. Maddie is like one of the first like filmmaking YouTubers that I started following. Not that I feel like other people saying that they like my channel isn't validating, but just seeing someone who has been through it and has done it for so many years, and someone who's inspired me so much over the past, genuinely reach out and just like give me words of encouragement and just like say they enjoyed the channel, just makes me feel really good. Like, makes me feel like this channel has some feet to it. Waking up at 2 a.m. just got a lot easier. Once COVID-19's over, crossing that Canadian border, giving you a big fat hug. Thanks, Maddie. Almost there. Just stopped at my beloved Wawa to get breakfast and some coffee. So today should be pretty similar to the scenes that we were shooting yesterday. I'll try and film some B-roll of what's going on set, try to get a little more talking involved today. We'll see how busy I am. Since this is a 3-day shoot and tomorrow is our last day, and this is an amazing crew, easygoing, the client's cool. What if I try to get everyone today to commit to wearing a Hawaiian t-shirt tomorrow? Has it ever been done on a shoot? Maybe it has, maybe it hasn't. Never on a shoot I've been on. But yeah, got another hour left on the drive, and I'll see you when I get there. No one else is here. Sun's coming up. Hopefully I'm in the right location. Only time will tell. Scale of 1 to yes, how likely are you to wear a Hawaiian shirt tomorrow?
Ooh.
Just say yes.
Yes. I gotta go buy one, but yes.
1 to yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, you gotta give me
0% chance.
Of course,
I don't own a Hawaiian shirt.
If everyone else has to wear one, will you wear one?
If you get me one, I'll wear it.
So that's 5 yeses for Hawaiian shirts tomorrow so far. Crew wearing Hawaiian t-shirts tomorrow.
Yes.
Yes.
I don't think I own one, though.
You wanna go pop in the bush? Go. Pop like the wind.
Young Ethan getting his low angles. The angle good? Hell yeah.
Why?
How's the sound been so far?
Sound's been really good. Getting a lot of weed whacker right now. Had some trucks that drove by, some planes, but no big deal. Just redo the take, and we're all set.
Wonderful. That was great. I think I'm gonna use that first take music. That was just gold. That was so funny. The audio was terrible for the tractor scene, so we're having Newt just watch a playback and record his lines. So a little trick.
Like agriculture. Where you trying to go, Nash? You know, because you know it's gonna be a good ass time. Yeah. What's up, homie?
Mike Pfeiffer, director, producer, grip.
Silence. Aviation maintenance. All right, that is a wrap on day 2, y'all. Thank you.
Amazing day, amazing crew. So much fun hanging around those guys. It was so hot. We were all so sweaty, but we all stayed hydrated. We all persisted, got the shots. So tomorrow is the last day, and I think I have everyone convinced to wear Hawaiian shirts. It's gonna be Tropical Wednesday tomorrow. I'm gonna send out a group text tonight to remind everyone. And I'm gonna go to Walmart and maybe pick up a few in case someone forgets so no one feels left out. I got a 2-hour drive home, an early one tomorrow. And I think I'll see you in the morning. I'm so hot, I just need to turn the AC on. I'm on like this 100-degree car right now. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye. Third day in a row waking up before 3:30 a.m. and I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty rough this morning, but I put on this shirt and I felt the power from the islands and I felt rejuvenated and I felt ready to go. I'm feeling tropical, I'm feeling good vibes, I'm feeling like today's gonna be a great day as long as everybody is wearing a tropical shirt. Halfway there, got about 45 minutes more into my drive and guess I'll see you there. Should be a fun day. It's looking like I'm the only one here.
Danny, you know what I love about you?
What?
You're consistently 10 to 15 minutes early. This is fun.
Lame.
Dude,
I went to Marshall's
to buy a Hawaiian
shirt
and they were $29.99.
Is this the lamest two people we've ever met?
I wasn't spending.
Tell me, man, when did they start wearing stripes in Hawaii? When they start wearing stripes? Did you let me down or did you let me down?
1950, man.
Yes or no? Did you let me down or did you let me down?
I let you down, bro.
Is that a tropical shirt?
No.
Look at this! Show them! Show them! What material is that? That looks comfy. Is that like, is that silk?
Yeah.
Polyester?
Nice surprise.
What up, y'all?
Look at that. Look at that. Bet it looks better on you.
And action. Alright, let's add some.
And I asked him,
And action.
Programs like information technologies give students the foundation.
Very good.
give me speed.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Racket. How'd that feel? Good pump?
Felt great. I'm ready
Good
to go.
pump?
You guys ready to do this? Boom.
My time in my bed, just to win. Who picked the bike?
That was better than a squat rack.
It'll work, you know.
Do you need the seat lower?
No, need a seat thing. Roll, maybe better roll.
Man. Leslie's the best.
Stand up so we can read the sign you're sitting on.
You want break rules.
As a wrap on an amazing shoot, I'm gonna meet you back at the apartment. It's like 200 degrees in my car and I'm exhausted, so I'll see you back there. So if you made it through that entire video and you're still here with me, how good does it feel to have clean audio? Pretty good, right? First off, we need to thank Mike at 1440 Film for allowing the two of us to be on his set with him. I actually work with Mike all the time, and he is the hardest working individual I've ever met. Has the calmest on-set demeanor I've ever seen. Just has like the biggest gosh darn heart. But what a genuinely terrific last 3 days it's been. Yes, their early mornings kind of stunk, and my circadian rhythm is just like totally trashed at this point. But man, I haven't had that much fun with a crew on set in a really long time. It honestly felt a little strange for me to take a step back from the DP role for the first time in a long time. But at the same time, it was also really nice to be able to take a step back from that DP role and be able to observe another really great DP and Matt do his thing, see how he thinks, see his process for lighting and how he deals with crew, and just enjoy being on set without all the extra pressure that comes with being a DP. So not many shoots are this much fun to be a part of, and not many crews are as easygoing as this one was. Sets can sometimes be a really, really stressful place with a lot of disgusting egos, but it really doesn't have to be that way. And this crew in these last 3 days like demonstrated that perfectly. So it all starts with you. Bring the positivity, bring the work ethic, bring the smile. Yeah, just choose to enjoy it. Thanks as always for watching, and I love you.